Hi dudes, now we can see how to install OS. We can install OS by two methods. One is by using update tool, second one is by using Windows ISO. First method, by using update tool. Okay, if you are using Windows 7 or Windows 8, you can update by using Windows 10 update tool. Okay, first type Windows 10 ISO. Okay, go to the first link. Okay, you can see update now. Okay, click that. Okay, now the file will be download. Okay, save. Okay, I have already downloaded the file, so I can just click that. Okay, Windows 10 upgrade. Okay, if you are using 7 or 8, it can convert into Windows 10. I have already updated to Windows 10, so no need update for me. Okay, second method, by using Windows ISO. If you want to create a bootable device, you have to download the ISO. Before that, we have to check whether the system is 64-bit or 32-bit. Okay, go to system, go to settings. Okay, in system, if you see about, okay, you can check that the system type. Mine is 64 operating system and 64-bit processor. You have 32-bit processor, means you have to download the 32-bit operating system. You cannot download ISO file in computer. Okay, you have to download that in mobile only. Okay, for that, type Windows 10 ISO and go to the first link. Okay, in that, if you scroll down, means you can see. Okay, it can ask the select edition. Just click that. Okay, Windows 10 create is new update. Okay, so click Windows 10. Can confirm. Okay, now choose one region. Okay, I'll choose Windows English International. Next, confirm. Okay, now the file will download. Okay, before that you have to choose that which format, 32-bit or 64-bit. Based on your system, you can choose it. Okay, mine is 64-bit, so I choose to 64-bit download. Just click it. Okay, now download with start. Click download. Okay, after downloading, transfer it to PC or laptop you have. Okay, now you can create the bootable device. We can create by using two softwares. Okay, first one is Rufus and second one is Power ISO. Rufus is a free software. Power ISO is a paid software. Okay, you need pendrive or CD to make it. Okay, insert just pendrive. Okay, now download the two softwares, Rufus and Power ISO. Okay, go to the first link. Okay, and Power ISO also first link. Okay, now if you scroll down, miss just Rufus 2.15, click it and download it. Okay, start download. Next, Power ISO. Okay, choose which bit you want, 64 or 32, and start download. Okay, already downloaded by Rufus. Okay, first insert your pendrive. Okay, choose the what pendrive you have. Next, MB or GPT, just don't touch it. Just first next you have to select the ISO file. Choose to open it. Next, start. Okay, before that you have to know that the every file in the pendrive will be deleted, eraser, so be careful. Second one is Power ISO. Okay, click on the Power ISO and install it. Next, close. Now you can open Power ISO, continue and register. Next, go to tools and create bootable device. Click OK. Let's continue and register because I don't purchase it. Okay, tools, create bootable device. Okay, continue and register. Okay, you have to choose where the file is, ISO file. Okay, mine is under OS. I click it. Let's start. Okay, it takes more than 30 minutes, so I have skipped that part mostly. Okay, now the file is completed. Next, reboot your computer or restart. Okay, press escape key or boot key for your days. You have to check it in Google. For particular device, it has a certain key, function key. Next, I go to remove devices. Okay, now it will start boot. Okay, you have to choose the language to install. I choose just next and install now. Okay, I don't have a product key. Okay, and if you have means you have to put the product key. I don't have, so just choose Windows 10 Pro. Next. Okay, accept the license terms. Next. Okay, custom. Choose custom install. Okay, next. Okay, it will start. Okay, skip it. Okay, now it will start. Restart. It is getting started. This is ready. You have to use express settings or customize your choice. Okay, who is on this PC? I own it. Next. Wait a moment. You have to give username, email ID or password. Okay, just skip this step. Okay, give your name and password if you want. Okay, just next. Not now. Okay, now install it. The OS is installed. Windows 10 is installed now. Okay, after installing OS, most of the people complain after installing OS, my brightness keys and the volume and the function keys won't work. For that, you have to install the graphics driver. For that, go to display settings. Okay, scroll down and you have to choose display adapter setting, properties. Okay, in that, okay, adapter string Intel HD4400 graphics mine. You have to choose yours, whether it may be AMD or an NVIDIA. Okay, choose driver and update driver. Okay, search automatically. If the device can't search automatically, means you have to go and put it on Google and have to download it. Okay, mine is already updated, so I don't need to do it. Okay, you just have to note that what graphics you have and you have to Google it. Okay, mine is Intel HD graphics 4400. 400, enter it. Okay, go for download for Intel HD graphics 4400. Okay, click the first link, Intel graphics driver for Windows. Okay, next. If you want exe means directly you have to download exe, otherwise you have to choose Windows zip file. Okay, as the license terms and you want, just download it and install it. Okay, next only your functions keys and the volume buttons and brightness, everything will work. Okay, just start download.